Guys, we're out here and we're playing with our little chicks, and look at the one in my hand. No, it's okay, I got it.
Okay. I'll try to get a different one.
My sister is literally so obsessed with them, it's okay. And she gets them out and then she hands them to me. I'm like, I can't hold 10 of them at a time. They're like so tired. They're like roosting. And then my mom and my brother are throwing baseball. And then we have some chicks right here too. So yeah. Lilo, careful.
What about I just hold this one?
Can I see the one that you have?
Yeah, just.
This is the one my sister has. It's an Americana, and this one, whoa, is a something green egger. I can't remember. Maybe Starlight green egger, something. Anyways, yeah, that's today's vlog.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get another one.